Hi there and welcome to this video. First things come first. Before starting to know how to advertise to your store and to your products via Instagram, let's start by knowing how to build an Instagram profile for your store. If you are planning to use Instagram to market for your store and your product, building an Instagram professional business account for your store separated from your personal account is mandatory. You should look serious and professional in front of your viewers so you can convert them into customers. Always remember, marketing is not about you, it's about your customers. So sharing your selfies on your store account can rarely be of any benefits. In your store account, nothing related to you personally should appear. People trust professional brands. So unless you are taking professional photos of you while modeling your products, your face shall stay behind curtains. So how to build your Instagram store profile? Stay with me and we will see together. The first step is your profile picture. The first thing to consider is your profile picture, and I highly recommend you to use your store logo as your profile picture. In my other course where I have showed you how to build a highly converting Shopify store, I have told you why having a logo for your store is very important, and we have discussed this deeply. So if you have already built your store with me, I am positive that you have already a logo. So this step is already checked. The second step is your description and bio. It's the text that shows up on your profile and lets you explain who you are and what this profile is about. A good start is to include a quick outline of who you are and what you do. So how to write a good bio? First, your name. Your name on Instagram should be simply your brand name. It's how people will know you and remember you. So keep it simple and professional. And although we want to keep it short, but if you have a specific niche and if you are known for something special, including this within your name is something good. Let's say you are a photographer who sells his photos online. You can have your name as follows: Live in Colors, Natural Photography. Your name and your usernames are the only fields that Instagram considers in its search results. So if you want people to find you when they search for your niche, including it in your name or in your username will grow your chances of being found. Second, tell your viewers what makes you unique. Your bio description, it's your chance to stand out, to catch your viewers' attention and tell them why they have to click the follow button. Be funny and cheerful in your bio. Here is your chance. Instagram users are people who love colors, photos and beauty. Use emoticons, put energy and positivity in your bio. 3. Don't use keywords. Keywords on Instagram are different from the keywords on other social media search engine. Instagram uses hashtags, and since hashtags in bio are not clickable, you don't have to use them within your bio. You can always include your keywords and niche within your bio, but make it natural. Including your keywords will not affect Instagram search results. It will only help your viewers to identify what your profile is about. Step 3. Your bio link. Unlike other social media platforms, Instagram doesn't allow links in posts. In fact, Instagram allows only one link and it shows in your bio section. It's very common on Instagram to change this link frequently. Basically, this link should be your store main link, but sometimes it's better to change it. Let's say you have put a product on some kind of exclusive sale and you are planning to post several times about the sale to encourage your followers to buy. The smartest way would be to tell your followers that the product link is showing on the bio. In the same way, if you are doing a massive sale on several items, you should include the link of this category on your bio, the link of this sale on your bio. Now we are going to see two Instagram profile pages, and we are going to see how they use our criteria to build their profile pages. The first profile is called We Are Knitters. It's a profile dedicated for a knitting store that sells yarns and crochet and knitting patterns. The store is called We Are Knitters. That's why the Instagram page is also called We Are Knitters. This store don't use any logo, they only use their names. So if we go, for example, to this website, if we click on any of the package available, we can notice that they don't have a specific logo. They use their main brand name. So in here, for example, we have the package to knit this shirt in here. If we click on the yarns, we can notice that they use their own name. They don't have a logo. So in their profile picture, they have put their names. In here, they have in the bio link, in the bio description, they have told us why we have to pick them. They have told us that they sold luxury yarns for knitting and crocheting, and they have given us the link of the store in their bio. So in this page, they have used the brand name as the Instagram profile name. They have used their brand name in their profile picture to make the people remember them more, to make the viewers more familiar with this brand. And in the bio section, they have told us what they make them special, and they have given us their store link. Now let's go to the second page. It's called Liquido Active. This page is dedicated to a store that sells Bold Yoga activewear. So in the profile picture, they have used the brand logo. In their Instagram profile name, they have used their store name, and in their bio section, they have told us what makes them special. They have told us that they sold Bold Yoga activewear to support our daily life. They have limited edition prints, and they are made in Brazil, and they are shipping to all the countries. And they have added the store link. So this is awesome. In this page, they have respected also all our criteria. They have used the brand name as the Instagram profile name. They have used their logo in their profile picture, and in their bio section, they have put what makes them special plus the link for their shop. So this is exactly what you have to do while designing your own Instagram profile for your store. You have to respect all these criteria. In addition, I recommend you to add some keywords in your bio section. As I have told you before, you can also have your special hashtag added to this section also if you want to.